Lovelies, these things are very real, and this app is very real that I'm going to bring for you, and I feel I have more guts to bring for you this app. So some like 2 3 days 4 days back, I had a review meeting with one of the greatest financial website that is around Dubai or United Arab Emirates and other countries. I gave a review, and before I finished, my account was credited. So what was I talking about? The question they asked me, it was all about the product and how can it be better, how did I come to know about it, and a lot of things. When I was sent an email that upon reviewing their app, or upon reviewing the website or these financial transactions that we make on this app, I will receive certain amount of money, I thought it was a joke. But I took a step, with me, and as we are teaching you how to have a positive mindset, we also always be wise. I took a step. I entered. I did the review of this app, did the review of this website. At the end of it, my account was credited. That was very good. Mine was credited by this app that most of the people, it is also on our website here, most of the people have used. But today I felt it deemed that if this one can credit my account immediately as we speak, why not bring for you a website that you are going to earn more than $100 a day, doing great job by testing apps, by doing a lot of things. So in this video, I'm going to be introducing for you a very great website that you can earn from at the comfort of your home. And this website is called Ferpection. When we talk about Ferpection, not perfection, it is Ferpection. It is Ferpection. Hi everybody, welcome back to Immaculate Show. This is Christine, your lady, the lady that says I hate poverty, and the lady that says you can make money with that smartphone. So today we're going to see how you can make a flexible way, how you can have a flexible way of making $100 in a day. Whether you're a student, you're a stay-home parent, you're a mom, you're just at work, or you're just someone looking to earn extra cash like me, I've got a fantastic option for you. Today I'm going to show you how you can start earning $100 with Ferpection, as I told you, a user test platform that pays you to share your opinions on website, on apps, on digital products, and very many other things. Let's get started by diving into it. We're going to see what is perfection. We are going to see what is Ferpection. 2, we are going to see how to get started on it by signing and how you can earn from it. So here, what exactly is Ferpection? Ferpection, as we have talked, is a user experience testing platform that connects companies with real people like you and me to test their website, test their apps, and digital services. Digital services is like what I've told you, where I earned some bucks of money in just a conversation, in a review conversation of less than 10 minutes. Your job is to provide honest feedback about your experience, what you liked or what you didn't like. If you have any improvements you think they can do, or which can be made, and the best part is you get paid for your time and insights. Does it sound so great? Yeah, it sounds so great. This video is not going to be very long. It is going to be precise and direct to the point. But before we go now, how to get started on this, I would love you people to go down and give us your review. Tell us what you think about Immaculate Show. And remember this, we are always grateful for your presence on this. Thanks for allowing us be on your space. Thanks for allowing us be on your screens. Don't forget, Immaculate Show, its main objective is to make sure that you can make money using your own phone within you and around you. Make money without being asked to put investments in terms of money and in terms of collaterals. So here we are. Companies are willing to pay for real user feedback to improve their products. I told you we are going to be looking at which companies do give money, and we are also going to be looking at testimonials and also references. So companies, when they want feedback to improve their products, they come for you. Wherever you are, please come near. Know that Ferpection pays you for every test you complete. And the more tests you do, the more money you can make. It's very simple. This one has no shortcut, and it is not long, and it is not very bad. So let's go down and get started with Ferpection, how it looks like. With Ferpection is easy and only takes very few minutes to access it. Here is what you need to do. You don't need to do a lot of things. What you need to do, the first step, you're going to visit the website. I want you to get a laptop, or you get go to your browser anyway, the browser of your choice, what you like most. Me, I like, by the way, using Chrome and Google. You might be there liking to use Firefox. So the first step, you're going to sign up. But how do you sign up? Go and put the word Ferpection. Ferpection is Ferpection. The moment you put it there, a search interface is going to come. So the moment it comes, you are going to fill in your names. You're going to fill in, you're going to go to application, as I'm going to show you on the screen, and talk about yourself, including your name, your email, and preferred language that you want to use. Because there are different languages. You might be needing Hindi, or another one might be wanting English or Arabic. So be ready to put your preferred language. This helps Ferpection match you with relevant testing opportunities the moment they know your location and exactly the language you do. Then the step 2, you're going to complete your profile by answering few questions about your interest, your device you use, and also the technology the experience you have as far as technology is concerned. This information will help Ferpection send you the right tests that fit your profile. Because if you don't have a laptop, they're not going to send you a test that needs laptops. They're going to send you the test that needs a phone. And if it is a phone, is it Samsung or it is iPhone? So be free, and please be precise and be open. Then another step, you're going to complete profile by answering few questions, of which this one, the questions really, they're about you, nothing at all. First, they're about you. Then from there, once your profile is set, you are going to start receiving invitation to participate in tests. These tests could involve maybe reviewing website, maybe reviewing, testing an app. They can tell you test this app and give us feedback. They can also tell you to evaluate a digital product, like a financial product. Each test typically takes between 15 to 30 minutes to complete it, and you can do it. You can earn immediately from $10 to $25 per test. At the same time, if you earn $10 to $25 per test a day, you are in position to access 10 to 20 tests. So here you are. You can do very good thing. The key for you to earn $100, as I told you, per day, to make a $3,000 US dollars in a month, you need to do you need to do a lot of multitasking. You need to complete multiple tests, not do only one. If you're able to complete 4 to 5 tests in a day, you will easily reach $100. You mark your goal for making a $3,000 US dollars per month. Ferpection often has a steady streams of tests, so there are plenty of opportunities to make money. This one is always there, and please don't fail to do this. But before we go very far, let's go to your website. I want you to head there. Let's do practical and see what we can do. When you put Ferpection in your browser, a search interface is going to come. This is the first one. What I want you to do here, if in your free time you can go and check what exactly is all about Ferpection. It is about research, it is about consulting, it is about writing, and a lot of things. So this is how the interface is. I want you to leave this interface. Just go to in the corner where they are saying become a tester. For us, we're going to be testing. For you, you're going to be testing how this website, how these apps, how these products are progressing, and what is lacking in them, or what is not, what is good in them. So for you as a tester, you are going to be neutral. You're going to talk the positive and the negative, depending on how you find a product is. So the second interface, as you click on become a tester, such interface is going to come, and it says Ferpection is now part of an guest group. I wanted to tell you before this, I brought this video before, it was Ferpection, but it will be merging, it has already merged, by the way, with Triba. Triba is, it's the same company, but it has been there. When you see it there on your screen, think maybe say no, I'm on a wrong platform. No, it is a right platform. So the moment you reach here, I tell you get hard, increase your skills and earn money. The good thing with here, the benefits you'll find here, apart from earning money, apart from getting that money that you're looking for, you're going to gain skills in as far as writing is concerned and analysis is concerned. You cannot be on Ferpection without good sense of observation and good sense of writing. Then also brands listen to your opinion and they will be counting for sure. Imagine your favorite brand listening to what you tell them, and you find the next day they have done exactly what you told them about their website. Doesn't it feel good? So you'll find the interface like this. They say paid website testers join the 250 testers already working from home and giving their opinion on website and mobile apps. So become a paid tester too. For you to become a paid tester, let's go here and you see, first and foremost, we have people who have been working on this platform and they've made a living, they've made enough money. They are here giving the testimonials and they are becoming witnesses to this website. So if you want to become a paid tester, you're going to come here and click there. The moment you click, like what I told you, it has changed now. It is from November, it's going to be merged together. They say the testing community for website, apps and software. The moment you come here, you go direct and join. When you join the Triba right now, if you listen to one of our videos in 2-3 months back, it was not yet joined with Triba, but now it is joined by with Triba. But the main point that we are on right now is how to earn this hope some $3,000 out of this. What you do, you go and open. The moment you open, they're going to ask you very few questions I told you about your name and other things. So when they ever ask, just follow the prompts and do it. What you need to do and what you know that you're going to do on this website, you are going to be giving feedback about the apps, about the financial products, about the website. How are they built? How do you access them? Are they okay? And the most important thing about it is, how do you give this website, this feedback? You people, let me tell you, on this there is no calling, there is no videos, there nothing as face to face. What is here is writing, chat, writing and screen recording or taking screenshots. What will you take screenshot of? What they say, what is the feedback on testing mobile application and website? Feedback is a screenshot, sometimes a video screencast along with a clear description. You can report positive and negative elements. Remember I told you about this. They go ahead and give you, like, for example, you can do this. I would have liked the connection button to be more prominent and could find it, and I couldn't find it. So meaning he is trying to tell them, this tester is trying, they are giving you a role play. They are giving an example of how you're going to do it. If you're going to give, you are going to screen record of what you would have used. If they have given you a Samsung phone, it has maybe an arrow going backwards, you would say that I wish you had put an arrow like this. Then you're taking a screenshot, you're screen recording, and you're telling them, if it was like this, it would have been better. Do you know these people really hear from you and they will take it serious? Now start earning money by testing this. For you to start earning money by testing this, you're going to go join, and the moment you start joining, you are a full tester. And why become a full tester? Because you're going to be rewarded every test that you do. You're going to really, there are no special skills about it. you are going to access your tools and everything, and they're also going to give you some lectures about this. You can work from home at the comfort of your home. You can go ahead and even inquire strong skills, and there is always a 24/7 support system. The community support team and coaches are always there. So guys, can you join this team? Yes, you can join this team. And how to grow as a tester with Taiba. Please, what you know, your opinion on this platform matters a lot, but however much the opinion matters, what we need is to earn money. So head on your browser and jump onto this. So guys, the Taiba tester or Ferpection tester community, it has grown so big. It has more than 75,000 active people, and it can be found in more than 150 countries so far. At the same time, they have already delivered some amount of money, and they have helped a lot of brands. Guess which brands? There are very many brands. There's like Sky brand, there's Bedding Spoons, there's Rotomatica. There are very many. So what you do, for you to be one of them, you have to sign up. As simple as that. You set up your profile, you complete the best courses, and start applying for the test. So here we come to the end, and we are pocketing our 3,000 US dollars in just a month. Thank you very much. Go ahead and join it. Try it, come back and give us your input.